Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. People, I want to pull off another prank by Matthew. Oh la la. I want to pull off one next prank by Matthew because we all know our comment and I say oh, Matthew take long to come to the door. Actually, in the search for the knife because once you lock the door on the inside, you can't open it on the outside. So he was searching for a knife to use the knife and open the door. So that before that he was attending to the kids. So by the time he hear me ball and I go on, he run come downstairs and start searching knife to open the door. Anyway, that prank pass and gone. Yes, I realized that I catch you. I did feel sorry for you after a while. But me catch him good. I'm gonna pull off our next prank. Anyway, y'all know that I got a new ring for my birthday in December because my last my old ring. But you know what I gonna do? I go tell him say when he come from work tonight, I go tell him say me lost my ring, but me try to figure out a way and tell him how me lost my ring. I go tell him say like me dey at work and you know a corona time now 7 minutes you have to you have to use hand sanitizer and blah blah blah. And through me work with kids, I go tell him say me put an hand sanitizer on my hand and like me I play with the kids them and like one of the people them maybe draw me hand or hold me hand and the ring slip off and drop down in one dream. Oh God. In a day, you know. But me I wonder where me can hide the camera because I don't have much places to hide the camera and then buy one new tripod. So even me set up the camera on the tripod, I go see it depend on where I put the camera. So that's my next thing for work on how or where to hide the camera. But I think it's a good prank. I see both people do it, what if a YouTuber do it after they get a new ring or maybe after they got engaged. Then trick their husband, say they lost their ring. I mean, I wish we lost my ring, because I really love this ring. But I'm going to try do trick Matthew and try catching reaction or see what he's going to say. Oh, no. The excited, they can't wait for tonight. They come. People, please me beg you know. Remember to like, share, and comment on this video and to turn on your notification bell. Turn on your notification bell, people. Now we're trying to post at least 2 times per week. If we got a chance to post more time per week, then we will do that. But for the moment, we're going to post 2 times per week. I don't want to give an exact date or time because that, I mean, as the video them come and they're ready, then I will post them. And the next thing, please to go on our Instagram, go follow us at 1876 moy. That's 1876 MOY. Thank you, and I'll catch you all later. Shh. Prank time, prank time.
On ne part pas en vacances sans terminer les négociations. Surtout qu'une femme aussi forte et intelligente que vous se laisse manipuler à ce point par un homme. Personne ne manipule. Si je pars maintenant, je vais faire mon plus gros client. Vous avez une bonne raison de planter moi plutôt que ton client. Peut-être qu'il arrive dessus parce qu'il avait donné l'alerte. Alors il faut continuer de chercher parce que la personne qui me disait est probablement trop abandonnée. Je voudrais une table pour 2 personnes ce soir. On est parti du principe que c'est un flic. Il doit aussi les convaincre. pas le droit de mentir. Putain, t'es qui, toi? Qu'est-ce que tu fous là? Moi, je viens juste préparer la climatisation. Je m'en suis pas. On va passer à 14 des épinettes.
Nasib betul ya, aku sih mangkuk di jalanan anak wala tu. Boleh nak balik ni betul itu. No, pero que me tenés que ir más bien. Bukan anak sana kiri sini ada meja pun. Dia work. Apa yang sudah tak? And we that about whatever now work yesterday and did a discuss with them. You know what? Me not tell them go bring a more stress from you yesterday, so you know to them.
Non so il termine meno.
Alors, votre restaurant étoilé s'appelle Nos Soupers. Il a ouvert en septembre dernier avant de fermer pour le second confinement. C'était pas trop frustrant. C'était très frustrant, ouais, mais on s'y attendait un peu à un peu plus de reconfinement. Pas aussitôt, j'ai envie de dire.
C'est chaud maintenant.
Vous faites des petites étoilettes. Ça va ou pas? Moi, ça va.
Il est bon le commandement, il est téléphone.
Ouais, donc on s'en sort, on arrive à bosser et heureusement parce que dans une nouvelle entreprise, on n'a pas d'habitude. Heureusement qu'on bosse. Alors il paraît qu'il fait un burger, carrément. Il paraît qu'il fait un burger qui est plutôt pas mal. Vous n'avez pas plus de burger de société. Parce qu'il y a plus, le bun, il est comment le bun? Le bun, c'est un pain brésil en fait qui est fait dans une boulangerie.
Mais c'est tout de même pour nous, mon Dieu, pas bien yesterday. Put Jeff Payne a canteen time. And they around put it in because they have one chair come like whenever so, it's a stick pan like color. But we tell us to make it buy one smaller room with a stick pan again. But it's a big delivery now.
Comment qualifiez vous-même votre style? Si je dis Africa meets Japan, on la prend. Non, mais moi, c'est vrai qu'elle est la cuisine, moi, je l'ai bien comme ouverte.
C'est un peu fait.
Ouverte sur le monde et ouverte sur restaurer en ouverte tout ce que je fais, je prends des grosses influences.
Ouais,
Entre l'Afrique, particulièrement l'Afrique de l'Ouest et le Japon. Bizarrement, la cuisine.
Definitely we don't get a version by one last one.
Il est plus faire du foot. Faire du foot. Mais il a une peu de talent pour faire du foot. Je n'avais pas. Ah vous voulez dire? Non, j'adore le foot, j'adore les jeux sur la console, j'adore le regarder, mais y jouer, bon, c'est pas trop ça non plus.
Il y a pas longtemps, là,
Je me suis lancé dans la cuisine comme ça. Mais pourquoi? Qu'est-ce qui vous a donné envie? C'est vrai que vous regardiez des docs sur les palaces. C'est ça qui vous a donné envie? Ouais, vous regardez les docs sur les palaces et tout. Et bon,
mais non, là, c'est un game Mathieu.
This one will catch one man.
Eh?
This one will catch 1 month. How much the other one I will?
Of course, you get 1 month from my birthday.
One month and 4 months.
See, I go buy back another one on. Why?
How many wedding ring you want? Money. You know?
Yeah, but me, I go without ring now.
Good luck, man.
What's the coffee then? Because me now going to really get the coffee then.
Me. And me? You? I will. As you want to go, right? And me? You go where you want to go. And if you
So you know my time me have a ring, sir, no?
how many rings you get in that life? 3. Alright, I want them there. Do one of them last. So I may go bring more into you for what? Tu t'es dit ça dans l'avion? Man.
So that means you love me?
3 wedding rings, and you still ask me, and the last one 1 month ago, and you still ask if that's it, you know. So, yeah, you now you don't like come and do good. You see that, you know, I'm gonna know the camera that is in the show, somewhere they have to on game.
Which camera? Which camera?
Right, wrong,
Which camera am I to?
yeah, we watch
You do wicked, you see, yesterday? But too much ring if you buy, give me. Did I really make me last ring, Martina, buy no more ring, give me?
you know, go and go, that's your, go and go cry in your toilet.
Let me tell you. When me catch a good work, you didn't believe me.
You know,
Yeah, you believe me?
no, son, not, you know what? Me know when me there, and that's me.
Yeah, come and try to put the camera over there so I see it.
No, this you run up and over the camera.
Oh my god. You didn't believe me.
I let me watch this.
Say bye-bye.
No. No.
Say bye-bye.
If you want, bye bye.